Hey. So, you know that there's always going to be another model when you see a review up. So today we're looking at the Atlantis Midget Racer. This is a very, very, very cool old kit. If it's an old monogram, if I'm not mistaken. One, I love the painting. That looks freaking cool. Two, I love the instructions. This is it right here. On the back, it's got some paint job ideas. Kind of cool. The instructions, old school to the max. So, not a lot of parts, which is really cool. You know, I've been told that this kit is like one of the worst kits, one of the worst kits of all time, one of the cheapest kits of all time. 1954 is the original date. But I got to tell you, this is 1/20th scale. I got to tell you, it looks like this. All right, let me show you what I got. All right, so following on what I said about some people hating on this kit, this kit is a lot of fun. I don't care what y'all say about it being a bad kit or whatever. It goes together super simple. Takes a couple days to do. My front suspension's a little wonky there. I didn't get it up all the way. But that's okay. Look at this bad boy. Alright, so first off, I painted it the Tamiya metallic blue. All the suspension work is just Rust-Oleum aluminum. Wheels, which are plastic, are Rust-Oleum flat black. I hand painted the silver. I hand painted the black and silver inside to make, you know, not so it's just one big silver wheel. Little decal or little detail thing there. Little side thing there. I'm not sure 100% what that is. Might be a gear shifter. I'm not sure. I just painted it tan with the silver edges. This decal did not come with. I went through my decal stash. I thought it looked cool, so I put it on. The 7 did, however. It's literally right on the box. The Atlantis logo on the decal sheet was a decal, so I put that on the front there, so make that look kind of cool. All-right, take the engine off here. I just painted it gunmetal with some silver, gold inserts there. I did all the little bolts there, so you can see. Looks kind of cool. The exhaust, I believe that's steel, and back with the gunmetal again. Looking at it again, I should have done one more coat of gunmetal on it because you can see some of the blue. It's blue plastic. Some of the blue is coming through there. That's okay. The little driver, he's kind of cool. I gave him some brown pants, yellow shirt, little goggles. All the guy is completely acrylic paints. Now it doesn't show on the picture. Oh, here it does a little bit. I painted the face mask white and the helmet was the word I was looking for. Helmet is actually a gray. You kind of pull it back far enough, it all looks like one color. It is not. So, the seat itself, the guy, he just slides right in there. He just kind of sits right along a little ledge in there. I just did a dark brown and then kind of a tannish on the back there. So, it kind of looks like a leather edging there. There's the interior, the dashboard. I did not put decals on because the decals I had found that I was planning on using kind of tore on me. So I just kind of painted it black. Paint the little side thing red there. I know a lot of people paint the dashboard kind of a wood color. I chose not to go that route. Like I said, super simple build. If I were to do it again, which I might want to, I would fill in the seams down the front there. The back you really can't see too much. But right along here and in the front there. Underneath, you don't see it. But yeah, that's kind of... But I gotta tell you, it does roll. Whee! I gotta tell you, I've enjoyed this kit very, very much. Very, 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 very much. I recommend this for maybe one of the 24-hour group builds. Maybe a slump buster. And you know what the beautiful part is you could do it any color you want, any color combination, and it would still be right. I just took an old can of Tamiya that I knew wasn't a lot in there, and sure enough, that was the end of the can. Also kind of almost box stock there. Do I recommend this kit? Yes. Do I recommend paying $30 for the kit? No. It is not a $30 kit at all. But if you get your hands on one for a very, very good price, I'd highly recommend it. You know where I recommend it from? Actually, Joann Fabrics when you get those 60% off coupons. A little tip there. Alright, so this, like I said, basic kit. Go ahead and get yourself a couple of these. This is fun as this is really, really fun. Alright, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and a comment. If you're not subscribed. Leave a comment, leave a like. All that good stuff. Alright. Hey, don't forget to stay tuned to the channel because I still have more stuff coming. There's all sorts of stuff being worked on right now as we speak. Alright, everybody. Stay tuned for a slideshow. I'll let that spin around for a little bit. I'll catch you guys on the next one.